So now let's look at the grammar, the present progressive. For example, Tae-woo is Korean, so he speaks Korean. Tae-woo is talking to his Australian friend, so he is speaking English right now. So what's the difference between sentence 1 and sentence 2? Speaks is talking, is speaking. Which sentence tells you that something is happening right now? Well, here we see right now, but we also know because of these verb forms. So sentence 2 tells you that. And which sentence tells you that something is always true about Tae-woo? Number 1, he speaks Korean, not 24 hours a day, but that's his language. Okay, he also speaks English because he's learned it. What is something that's always true about you? You're a girl, you're a boy, you have black hair, or you have long hair, or you like chicken. Okay. And how do we make the verb form in number 2? Is talking, is speaking. So what's first? Is. What verb is that? So I have blonde hair. Okay, so again, is, that's the verb be. And then talking and speaking, what is that? A verb plus ing. Good. So here's some practice questions for you. What are you studying at Dongsa or wherever you're studying? I'm studying electronics. What are you doing right now? Practicing English. I'm sitting in a chair. I'm sitting in a chair. What is your mother doing right now? She's taking a nap. She's cooking. She's working. She's driving.